Hello everyone, welcome to SKU Digital Classes. My name is Satish Pathak, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Today I am delivering a video lecture on discrete mathematics, that is discrete structure, and my today's topic is set theory and Venn diagram. So in this lecture we will discuss about set theory and set numerical problems and its representation by Venn diagram. So firstly I want to define what is set, and after that I will define what is Venn diagram, and then after that we will continue with numerical problems and its solutions. So let's see. Set. What is set? Set or sets. So set may be defined as a collection of unordered element or object. Either objects or elements are repeated or not. It may not affect the sets. So set may be defined as a collection of unordered collection of elements or objects. For example, we will take a set A and it is represented in curly braces. So this is empty set, and again in this set there are some elements. So this is non-empty set, and this is the representation of any set. Here we are taking A is a set. Now there are many types of sets: equal set, equivalent sets, difference in sets, subset of sets, union of sets, intersection of sets. These are the numerical issues which are solved later. Now Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a representation through circles, the connection or the relation between the elements of a set. So Venn diagram may be defined as a circle representation of elements of sets and relations among them. Example: if we want to represent two sets by Venn diagram, then we take A set and next set. So if we want to explain or taking example of Venn diagram, then these two sets represent by circle, and if we want to draw a Venn diagram, then this is our Venn diagram to represent A and B sets. Now after that there are some numerical issues in which we will discuss, and this is very helpful for students in solving numerical problems related to sets. So first of all we solve. There are many types. First of all we write means union of first union of set. which is represented by u, small u, which is represented by small u. Now second one, intersection of set, this is represented by this symbol, intersection. Difference in sets, which is represented by minus symbol. Union, intersection, difference. Subset, subset of set, which is represented by this letter. Now equal set is represented by and next one is equivalent set. So these are the operations by which we can solve sets problem, and these set problems, the result and output which will come will represent through Venn diagram. So let's start. Example, we take an example. Why one example? We can solve each and every problem by taking one example. We can take all other examples also, but here we take one example and all operations will be done on this example. Let A is a set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma B 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are two sets A and B, and these sets are called non-empty set because these sets are not empty. A सेट जो है खाली नहीं है, इनमें कोई ना कोई एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो जो इनमें एलिमेंट्स हैं तो ये नॉन एम्प्टी कहलाएंगे. जैसे मैंने एक सेट अभी बनाया था यहाँ पर प्रीवियस, this is empty set because there is no any element present in it, and here it is non-empty set because here elements are present in this set. So now first of all we solve union. What is union? Union of set contains all elements present in A and all elements present in B. We take all elements which are present in A and B. A union B. The solution of this is we take all elements present in A and all elements are present in B. Repetition may not be allowed. If any elements are common in A and B, then B will take it only once. एक ही बार लेंगे, दो बार नहीं लेना है. रिपीटेशन में नॉट बी अलाउड, रिपीटेशन इसमें अलाउ नहीं रहता है, तो अपन को एक ही बार एलिमेंट्स को लेना है. तो ए यूनियन बी हमारा क्या निकल के आएगा? ए यूनियन बी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 5, 6, these two elements are common in both sets, so B will write only once. एक ही बार लिखेंगे इसको. तो now 7, 8, 9. This is our solution related to A and B set and perform union operation. This is our union operation which is shown in this. The union of set we have clearly seen here. Now intersection. Intersection is the operation in which B can take common elements in both sets. Sorry. If there are no, if in here 5 and 6 are common, two elements which are common in both A and B sets. If there is no any common elements in A and B sets, then then the result of intersection is phi. Phi means null. Null means एम्प्टी सेट, उसका रिजल्ट जो आएगा वो क्या आएगा, फाई नल सेट, उसमें कोई भी एलिमेंट्स कॉमन नहीं है। लेकिन यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है, यहाँ पे 5 और 6 दो एलिमेंट्स हैं वो दोनों में कॉमन है, तो इंटरसेक्शन विल बी परफॉर्म्ड, इंटरसेक्शन ए यूनियन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, वी फाइंड only common elements. Common elements are 5 and 6. 5 and 6. This is our answer related to intersection of two sets A and B given above. 1 2 3 4, there is no 1 2 3 4. 5 6, yes 5 6. 7 8 9, there is no 7 8 9, but here is 7 8 9. So only 5 and 6 elements are common, and we will write here in the intersection part. Now again, next, difference of set. Difference may be denoted as A minus B. Here we take A set and B set. Now we will take only those elements which are present in A set but not in B set, and common elements are cancel out. Common elements are cancel out. In intersection we will take common element, but in difference of sets we take only the elements which come first set. If A minus B, then we take only A elements which are not present in B, and those elements which are common in A and B, these elements are cancel out and we cannot take here. So there is also a changes in A minus B or B minus A. The results are different because we take first set elements which are not in B, and those elements which are common we neglect them. So 5 and 6 are common, these are neglect. 7 8 9 we can't touch, only 1 2 3 4, only 1 2 3 4. This is the difference A minus B. Now B minus A, 5 and 6 are cancel out. The answer is 7 8 9. 7 8 9. So there is a difference between A minus B and B minus A. So I want to say that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. The output of both operations will be different. Now equal set. Equal set are those sets which containing same elements. Its sequence may be differ, but the elements are same. Means here these A and B sets are not equal, because here same elements in both set are not present, so these sets may not be equal, but there may be equivalency. So check equivalency. If the number of elements present in A is equal to the number of sets present in B is equal, then B called its equivalent set. These sets may not be equal. A and B sets may not be equal because the elements present in A and B are not same. Clear? Now equivalent set means number of element present in both sets are equal. Equal means here we take an example. If equal set, we have to show equal set, then A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 1 4, B is equal to 1 4 2 3. then these sets are called equal set, because the number of elements are same, 1 2 3 4 1 4 2 3. These numbers are present in A. All elements of A are also present in B. So these sets are called equal set. Now equivalent set, A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to A B C D. So the number of elements in both sets are 4, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Then this set is called equivalent set. Now the Venn diagram representation, here union, here A B, A and V. This is the Venn diagram for union, A set and B set. Here 5 and 6, if we want to write here 5 and 6, because 5 and 6 are present in both, common in both set. But B set all portion, because B take all element either present in A or present in B. So this is our Venn diagram presentation of A union B operation. Here we can say 5 6 here, then 7 8 9 here, and 1 2 3 4 here, 5 6 here. 5 and 6 are common. Now A intersection B, we take common elements. So here common elements, common portion of these two sets are this place, and here only 5 and 6 are common, all other are different, because in A set 1 2 3 4, in B set 7 8 9 are left. So 5 and 6 are common. So we take intersection of AB, that is common portion, and the common element is 5 6. So this is our Venn diagram presentation. Now in difference of sets, A minus B, so this portion is cancelled out and this is eliminated. Now our answer is the shaded portion, that is A. So here only 1 2 3 4, this is our answer in B. A, this is A set, this is B set. Now again here B A minus B, or here B minus A. So B minus A, here this is eliminated and this is common. The answer is shaded portion, and that is 7 8 9. This is the difference, and all example of equal set and equivalent set are shown here. Equal sets, in elements all elements are of same, either 1 2 3 4, sequence may be differ but elements are same, like 1 2 3 4 1 4 2 3, same elements are present here. Then this is equal set. Now equivalent set, the number, now counting the sets, the number of elements present in it. Here in A set 1 2 3 4 elements here, and here A B C D 4 elements here, to 4 4. Then this set is called equivalent set. Now in next video lecture I will continue the next topic. Thank you.